Have you ever opened a bag of Lay's and wondered, how do they make every chip so thin, so crispy, and so perfectly golden? Why don't they taste burnt? Why don't they stick together? And how does every bag feel fresh, even after traveling thousands of miles? Today, we're going inside one of the most fascinating snack factories in the world. This is not magic. This is science, precision, and perfect timing. Welcome to Factory Time, where we take you inside real factories and show how everyday products are made step by step. And in today's video, we're uncovering how Lay's potato chips are made inside the factory. Step 1. Not all potatoes are the same. Lay's does not use just any potatoes for making their chips. The company works with specially grown potato varieties that are developed only for chip production. These potatoes are carefully selected because they have a longer shape, which helps create bigger and more uniform slices. They also contain lower sugar levels and higher starch content, which is extremely important during frying. Potatoes with high sugar tend to burn quickly and turn dark brown when cooked at high temperatures. Lay's aims for chips that are light golden in color, evenly cooked, and visually appealing in every bag. These special potatoes are grown on farms across different regions, close to Lay's factories. This helps maintain a steady and fresh supply throughout the year. By sourcing potatoes from multiple areas, Lay's reduces transportation time and ensures that only fresh, high-quality potatoes reach the factory for processing. Step 2. Growing and harvesting potatoes used for Lay's chips are planted during the spring season, when soil conditions are ideal for healthy growth. Over the next 3 to 4 months, the potatoes develop underground, absorbing essential nutrients from the soil, along with water and warmth from the sun. Because potatoes grow below the surface, harvesting them requires specialized machines designed to work gently and efficiently. These harvesters dig deep into the soil to lift the entire potato plant without causing damage. As the potatoes are lifted, the machines shake off excess dirt, stones, and plant debris. At the same time, they quickly sort the potatoes, allowing only suitable ones to move forward. This process is extremely fast, with thousands of potatoes collected every single minute. Once harvested, the potatoes are loaded onto transport vehicles and sent to nearby storage facilities located close to the factory to maintain freshness and quality. Step 3. Cold storage. Rest before transformation. Before potatoes are sent into the factory for processing, they are placed in cold storage to rest and stay fresh. These potatoes are stored inside large, temperature-controlled warehouses designed specifically for long-term preservation. Inside these storage facilities, the temperature is kept at around 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius, with high humidity levels and complete darkness. This carefully controlled environment slows down the potato's natural aging process. It prevents sprouting, reduces moisture loss, and stops the potatoes from spoiling too quickly. The absence of light also protects them from turning green, which can affect quality and taste. By keeping potatoes in this dormant state, Lay's ensures they remain firm and suitable for chip production. Some potatoes stay in cold storage for a few weeks, while others may remain there for several months, patiently waiting until the factory is ready to transform them into crispy potato chips. Step 4. From storage to factory. When the Lay's factory is ready to begin production, potatoes are carefully moved out of cold storage. Forklifts lift the large crates filled with potatoes and place them onto waiting trucks. These trucks then travel directly to the Lay's processing plant to reduce travel time and keep the potatoes as fresh as possible. Every step is planned to protect the quality of the potatoes before they enter the factory. Once the trucks arrive at the factory gate, they are positioned onto a special hydraulic platform. This platform slowly lifts the truck at an angle, allowing the potatoes to slide out smoothly using gravity. The potatoes gently fall onto conveyor belts that carry them inside the factory. This controlled unloading process helps prevent bruising or damage, ensuring the potatoes remain in perfect condition for the next stage of processing. Step 5. Quality and science check. Before any potato is sliced, Lay's performs strict quality and science-based tests to make sure only the best potatoes move forward. One important check is the buoyancy test. In this test, potatoes are placed into water to see how they behave. Potatoes that sink at the correct level have the ideal balance of starch and water. This balance is essential because it directly affects how the potatoes will cook in hot oil. Another key test is the sugar test. A small sample of potatoes is sliced and fried under controlled conditions. If the slices turn too dark, it means the sugar content is too high, and the batch is rejected. If the slices fry evenly and remain light golden, the batch is approved. These tests help ensure every batch produces perfectly cooked, crispy Lay's chips. Step 6. Washing and cleaning. Even though potatoes were cleaned on the farm, they are washed again at the factory. They pass through water channels, rotating brushes, high-pressure sprays. This removes dirt, sand, small stones. Clean potatoes protect machines and improve quality. Step 7. Peeling the potatoes. Now comes peeling. Potatoes enter large peeling drums lined with rough surfaces. As they rotate, skins rub off. Water washes peels away. These machines can peel millions of potatoes per day. After peeling, cameras scan every potato. Bad ones are removed instantly. Nothing unsafe moves forward. Step 8. Sizing and cutting. Not all potatoes are the same size. Machines sort them by size. Small ones drop through gaps. Larger ones continue. Big potatoes are cut in half so every slice cooks evenly. Consistency is key. Step 9. Slicing, where chips are born. This is the most important step. Potatoes enter high-speed slicing drums. Inside, potatoes spin fast. Blades slice them instantly. Each potato becomes dozens of thin slices with exact thickness. Too thick, soft chips. Too thin, broken chips. Perfect thickness creates that gentle curve Lay's is famous for. Different blades are used for classic chips, wavy chips. Step 10. Removing starch. Fresh slices contain surface starch. Too much starch causes sticking, uneven frying, so slices are washed multiple times. Then, water drains. Air systems remove moisture. Only clean slices move forward. Step 11. Frying in hot oil. Now the real transformation happens. Slices enter a long fryer filled with vegetable oil. Conditions: temperature around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Time: about 3 minutes inside the fryer. Water escapes as steam. Oil replaces moisture. Chips become crispy. Oil is constantly refreshed to keep taste balanced, not greasy. If you're still watching and enjoying this deep factory breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Factory Time. We upload detailed factory videos just like this, so you never miss how your favorite things are made. Now, let's continue. Step 12. Final inspection. After frying, chips pass under high-speed scanners. These machines check color, spot burns, detect defects. Rejected chips are removed instantly using airbursts. Only perfect chips move ahead. Step 13. Seasoning magic. Now comes flavor. Chips fall into large rotating drums. Seasoning is added: salt, cheese, spices, custom blends. As the drum spins, chips tumble, flavor coats evenly. This step makes every chip taste the same from first bite to last. Step 14. Weighing and bagging. Seasoned chips move upward to weighing machines. Each machine uses multiple digital scales, calculates exact weight in milliseconds once correct. Chips drop into bags. Nitrogen replaces oxygen. Why nitrogen? Keeps chips fresh, prevents crushing, extends shelf life. Bags are sealed instantly. Step 15. Packing and shipping. Sealed bags are packed into boxes. Some factories use humans, others use robotic arms with suction grips. Boxes are sealed, wrapped, placed on pallets. Automated vehicles move pallets to warehouses. From there, trucks deliver Lay's to stores around the world. And that's how ordinary potatoes become the crispy Lay's chips we all love. From farms, to science, to high-speed machines, every step matters. So next time you open a bag, remember the journey behind every chip. This was Factory Time. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Can you really eat just one? See you in the next factory.